Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the world of 3D printing, particularly in the realm of evidence reconstruction? Artificial intelligence has been making strides in various fields, from healthcare to finance, and even in the creative arts. On the other hand, 3D printing has been reshaping manufacturing, prototyping, and design. Now imagine the two converging, AI and 3D printing working hand in hand to reconstruct evidences. The possibilities seem endless and the prospects revolutionary. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating topic. Now imagine a crime scene, pieces of evidence scattered and traditional methods proving inadequate to piece them together. Let's delve into a real-life incident that occurred a few years back. A notorious crime had been committed, leaving behind a complex array of fragments and shreds of what once were recognizable objects. The authorities were left stumped, the jigsaw puzzle of evidence too convoluted for traditional methods to handle. The investigators were faced with a significant challenge: how to accurately reconstruct the scene from these fragmented pieces of evidence. The answer lay in the interplay of two revolutionary technologies: artificial intelligence and 3D printing. Artificial intelligence was first brought into the picture to analyze and interpret the data. The AI system, trained on a vast database of similar objects, was able to recognize patterns and make connections that human investigators might have missed. It could identify the relationship between different pieces of evidence and even predict what the completed puzzle might look like. But the role of AI didn't stop at analysis. It also guided the 3D printing process, which was used to physically reconstruct the evidence. Using the insights gained from AI, 3D printers could recreate the objects from the fragments, layer by layer, with an astonishing level of detail. This wasn't just a theoretical reconstruction on a computer screen. It was a tangible, touchable object that investigators could interact with. The reconstructed evidence provided a clearer picture of the crime scene.